In this video, I'm going to go over these WORKPRO quick adjust groove joint pliers, and here's what this thing looks like. So let me show you real quick on using these things to adjust them. You know what, if you've ever used a pair of open pliers like this, it's pretty simple. See how I've got a different size bolt right there? Look at how they close up on that bolt. So I want to get a little tighter right there. See that V jaw, how nicely that grabs into those two joints right there. Now that's an easy turn right there. So let's say I've got a smaller head bolt right there. Look how I can get it. So now I'm going to go all the way closed, and then check this out. It just locks in right there. Now I've got a good grip on that. If I need to take a bolt out, pretty easy, and I can't get to it. What I like about these, they're very small, so you can carry them in the glove box of your car, throw them down in a little tool bag, and they don't take up much room, but they get the job done because they can open wide enough to kind of get into a wide area and grab like a hose. If you have like a hose on a water pump or something you need to lock onto and turn, that's where these things would work out great because they're easy to get down in there. Has a little bit of grip right there on the top and an easy hold right there on the bottom. So yeah, this is something I recommend for anybody that just needs a good little kind of pair of like open-ended wrench. Do a little bit of everything. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the WORKPRO, joint pliers. See you on the next video.